Say something. Where are we at?
We're Mountain High. And I just banged my head and slid 50 feet, and there's just all this blood, and all the mountain's like red now. It's cool, huh?
Lindsay, don't.
Mom,
What do you want?
Something home-baked that's big and fluffy and moist, with lots of real chocolate. Or luscious swirls of raspberry.
Surprise me.
No one. Duncan Hines.
Face with a regular-looking phone wired to a no-name company. Will you and your card be rejected? We're sorry. Will your call cost a lot more than you think? How can you be sure you'll get AT&T and get through at a good price? Know the code. Dial 1-800-CALL-ATT.
For card calls, you'll always get AT&T's best deal if you know the code. Dial 1-800-CALL-ATT.
And you'll never worry about no-name phone company charges again. You're a true boy.
Some people can't afford to worry about the fuel in their tank. And when it comes to consistency and quality, their demands are among the highest in the world. That's why most major domestic and international airlines